Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable dark mode in Telegram application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to your Telegram application on your device. Once you open the application, you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Once you're there, you need to tap on settings. So once you're here, you need to tap on chat settings. And here a bit of scroll down and you will find switch to night mode. So if you tap here, and now as you can see, dark mode has been enabled in Telegram application. So another thing that you can do is to auto night mode. If you want to change it in daytime to day mode and in the nighttime to night mode, you can enable this option and it will automatically change to night mode in the nighttime. So guys, this is how you're going to do it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.